What has arrived?
Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. This is, well, what have I bought? It's big old pallet arrived. It's not from Bearmac, it's just in a Bearmac box. These are used parts. And what I'd like to hear from you guys is just a bit of a quiz, shall we say. There's no prizes, but I want you to tell me in the comments what's going on with these parts. There's going to be a few part numbers. I'm going to take you through the box, show you what's in there. Get your diagram research fingers at the ready, because this is quite a unique set of parts. I'd be interested to see if anyone figures it out. I'm going to be doing more videos about these parts in future, so don't worry, I will explain all at some point. I haven't got the time to do it now, plus the weather's rubbish. So I'm just going to leave this video with you and, I don't know, just sit back and relax and take a gaze at all these wonderful Land Rover parts. It's like a dream come true when the lorry arrives and they wheel this pallet onto your driveway full of parts you never thought you were going to ever get to buy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.